www.gibsontruckworld.com 2006 Ford F-350 Lariat Crew Cab Dually FX4 Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive riding on 6 almost new BFGs. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, FX4 off-road package, backup sensors, adjustable pedals, dual power leather seating, 6-disc CD changer, sliding rear window, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. Haul your favorite toys comfortably with this Power Stroke dually and refined Lariat interior. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our